BLOOM stands for breathe, listen, observe, occupy, and move. So today we'll be looking at the move module. And this simply means doing very slow movements, such as Tai Chi-like movements, focusing on the sensation of the movements and doing them without judgment. So, for instance, what you could do is you can move your arms up and down in a very slow manner, and then you would notice any sensations in the sleeves. You may feel your sleeves moving on the skin, and we just observe those sensations, just bring our attention to them. And then you may notice a sensation of coolness around the fingertips and between the fingers and maybe on the palms of the hands. And it's just feeling those sensations, but remembering not to like or dislike those sensations. We're not judging them. We're just using those sensations, using that movement and the sensations that come from the movement to keep us in the present moment. Okay, so try that, see how you get on, and it will help you to stop those spiraling thoughts and become more focused on the present moment. So I hope you found that useful, and I hope you can find the BLOOM framework something that you can integrate or it's something that you can use to help you to integrate mindfulness into your busy life and to help you to get the best out of mindfulness, especially in these troubling times. If you have any questions, do post them below, give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to try more of this, either this mindfulness, seated mindfulness, or moving mindfulness in the form of Tai Chi and Qigong and mindful motion, then check out my classes at wimble.com. I will put the link later. So thank you for watching these last 5 days. Next week, I'll be doing some more Facebook Lives, focusing on other benefits to mindfulness, because people always talk about stress and anxiety, but there are a lot of other benefits to mindfulness that I actually find really useful, especially in these times of challenge and worry, I guess, in terms of how we can not just remain calm, but actually move forward using these times for rebirth, for growth. Okay, so have a lovely weekend, and I'll speak to you all next week. Bye-bye.